So the next step in our drawing hands assignment, after you have turned in a photograph of your pencil drawing with 4 to 5 hands, and after you've checked the comments on that assignment in Canvas, then you're going to start putting in your ink, and we're going to use Sharpie because Sharpie is permanent and it won't bleed when we do the next step. Okay, so this is going really step by step through it, and I was just talking about how I put some scratch paper behind it so when the Sharpie bleeds, it won't ruin the next page. Okay, so our assignment is to do a continuous line. Remember that? And so we want to do a line that doesn't stop and we don't pick up our pen. Okay, and so the way we're going to do that, and I'm going to zoom in to right here. Okay, the way I'm going to do that is if I have a little line, there is actually a little line right here that is not connected to anything. Well, how would I make that line if I couldn't pick up my pen and not pick up my pen? And the answer is I just draw like what I might call a bridge. So if I was coming along here with my pencil and then I wanted to draw this little line here, I'm just going to make a little bridge. And it's going to look a little different, but that is okay because that is this style of drawing. And then I'd go back. Okay, and you want to get as many of the wrinkles as you can, so you might also want to have your hand there for reference so you can really see all the wrinkles. Okay, and I know I have an older hand than yours, but so what I'm going to do, and some of the way to do this is to kind of go back, to draw back on your hand. So if I start here and I'm drawing, and then I need to go back here. Okay, I can't just pick up my pencil and start back here, or pen, and start back here. I have to go down and then come back up. And if it makes it a thicker line or it makes a little space between the line, that's okay. Also, I notice that I have this line right here. So I might go back down and get that line and then come back up. Okay, and so I didn't pick up my pen there. I just went down and back up. And so as I'm going around, I'm getting in all these little lines, and I realize, oh shoot, I forgot that one. So I'm going to have to go back around and get that one and then keep going. You'll also notice where I pause, it makes almost like a little dot. So you might want to plan out where you pause, because you might not want those dots in certain places. Okay, so I left off here. So I'm going to go here, and I have some of these lines here. I'm going to come down, and as I'm drawing, I'm going, okay, I drew this in pencil. Do I want to keep it in pen? Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Okay, you can see I just loop around. It does not have to be perfect. Okay, so this is what you're going to do today with your time if you have finished all of your, I'm sorry, I can't talk and draw. If you have finished all of your pencil drawing, you have turned it in, you have got comments, and you've written back check comments. That is what we're doing today. If you're on track, then that is what we're doing today. Okay? And by next class, your thing should be completely inked with your Sharpie. Ultrafine. Okay? So that is your task today.